Wind forecasts list two numbers: sustained wind, the steady background, and gusts, the sudden spikes that knock hats off and rattle signs. Here's how those gust numbers translate to real life. Around 10 to 15 miles per hour, leaves rustle and flags wake up. By 20 to 25, umbrellas flip, doors catch, and cyclists feel the push. At 30 to 35, big branches sway and high-profile vehicles should slow down. Near 40 to 45, small branches can snap and loose yard items start moving. From about 50 to 60 miles per hour, you're talking fence panels, trampolines, and shingles at risk. This is severe thunderstorm territory in many forecasts. Past 60, expect scattered damage and tough driving. At 74 and above, that's hurricane force gusting. Shelter like you mean it. Gusts are brief, often just a few seconds, but they do the most work. Topography, buildings, and storm outflows can locally boost them well above the sustained wind. Quick checklist: secure lightweight outdoor gear, park away from trees and signs, use two hands on doors and steering wheels, avoid ladders and tent setups on gusty days, and watch for storm gust fronts. Know the number, plan the day, and let the wind move your plans, not you.